2019 Road Glide Special in Billiard Blue. It's got Apes. It's got Kahuna grips. It's got highway pegs mounted on the engine guard. Of course, it's got the 114. It is the Special, so it's that, and it's got the upgraded radio. Sounds really good. Looks like it has aftermarket slip-on pipes. Has a little imperfection on both corners of the saddlebags. Looks like maybe they bumped into something down in the bottom right-hand corner there. It is the blacked out Special. The 114 Derby cover. It's in really great condition. Just over 1,500 miles. Of course, it's got the stock dual LED headlight. So if you're looking for a great tour and you like this blue, now's your chance. A lot of nice upgrades on it. Come on in for a test ride.